Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up software update in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to this operation, slide up, scroll down to settings, then search for a system. Click on it, and there you have a software update. So click on it, and as you see here, you can system update or update. Let's check the system update. As you see, the security update is available from my phone, so I can restart now and update my phone, or I can check the app updates. But firstly, I need to sign in to the Google Play, and now from here I'll update all my apps. So for the music movie, I'm gonna be install this update from my phone, and you will see how it looks like when we're gonna update or flash our phone for the new software update in the new features of our phone. So now we have to wait after the phone gonna be right and new things on it. And as you see, we have seen the Google logo on our phone, so it's gonna be turn on in restarting to get our system up ready to go. So it needs to take some time. In this case, the update weighed 20 megabytes, so it was very light, but sometimes you get much more update for your phone. And you can see a finished update is in the background of our phone, and that's it. Now our phone is updated. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.